First thing we're gonna do is cover all the things as much as possible, because brake fluid is really ugly stuff. Now we need to get this exactly horizontal, so we have to loosen that bolt so we can see, turn it a bit. Okay. No. Just a bit tight, so over there, so over here too, 2 screws. One. And this is 2. Okay, so a lot of, see, water on top of the membrane. So this out of the way. What I always do is get as much brake fluid out of the reservoir. So see, bit over there, kijk, yep. Okay. Now it's time to give the reservoir a good clean. So let it soak for just a moment. Clean the outside. So there. Okay. I told my friend to get good brake oil, brake fluid. He came with my favorite brand, Castrol React Performance .4, and I always have these kinds of tiny bottles, so I can easily fill the reservoir without splashing around. So let's fill it up. That's my brake fluid. Now we start with this caliper. Over here we have the bleeder bolt thing. Get the rubber cap off. I got my homemade bottle, and first, to prevent it from falling, up. Give it up a quick. Now I'm gonna fill the reservoir. I'm gonna zoom in for you. Then we're gonna I'm gonna first squeeze a lot of times. Don't open it, just squeezing the old oil out. Be careful to be sure that your reservoir don't get empty. Even kijken. Now let's pump again. Okay. Okay. Now that's done. There is all the old brake fluid is out now. Then up. Just a moment. Right. Take a look. This is what I made. So, and then so close it. Okay. But I give it a clean, and then what I always do, there is always brake fluid inside that bleeder bolt thing. Screw. See? Wait. Suck it out. Hop. See? It's all wet. Up. Then I take a new one and up. Leave it. And now we go to the other side. So here we're gonna do same thing. First we take the rubber cap off. Then we quickly up, so we know it's open. I know at least. Hang this one so it doesn't fall. Get the hose on. Now, and then push. There comes a big air bubble. So, it's bubble free. There is new brake oil in, so we're gonna carefully turn the wheel a bit, then get the hose off, and we're gonna do the same thing over here. So, get a piece of paper in, hop, and then another one. Up, and this one. We let soak for a while, and then we have one more to go, and that's up. We have one more bleeder nipple over there. See? So I have to do that one too. So carefully, hop. Okay. Then We're gonna hang my over here. Put the hose on. This spanner. Okay, just a tiny few bubbles came out. Up. Holy shit. Again. So it's so hard. Wow. But this one you always have to be very careful. So leave this for a moment over there. Okay, then the rear wheel. Show you. It's really, the brake is unbelievable hard. Zo, even kijken, een beetje zo, yes. Here we're gonna do the same thing. Put it in and let it soak for a while. Now, we're gonna fill this one up. Kijk, Max. So, first, give this one a good clean. Okay, nice. Then we take the membrane. I always turn it like this, inside out, inside out. First, start clean it. Wait a minute. To do it with my finger. Now, this one in, give it, get all the old stuff out, okay, then carefully turn it the other way around and give that a clean too. So, put it carefully in. Put the cap the right way. Warning. Slide it down. What I always do is these two bolts, they tend to rust. So put a dab of grease onto them. Any grease will do. So it's prevent them from rusting. Carefully screw it in. Pop up. So not too tight. Okay. Then the rubber cap over here and the caps over here. So, because changed this one. So what I do is loosen this one again. So, and then just turn it a bit and then feel with my hands like this. So, and then you look, feel, yep, exactly. And then not too tight. It's aluminium, and before you know it, you strip the thread. Wow! Oh, this is all or nothing. Wow! But he has this 2-finger grip, which is good. If you apply this brake in a situation of panic, something, you tend to grab it with your hand. I always tell my friends, apply your front brake always with just 2 fingers. Because in an emergency situation you can brake as hard as you need with 2 fingers. But in an emergency situation, when you grab it with your whole hand, it will block the wheel. So like this, and job done. So now we're gonna do the rear brake. So guys, this was my video about doing brake fluid change of an Aprilia Tuono. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please subscribe to my channel. I really would appreciate that. And if you have something to say, please put it in the comments. And for now, old mechanic, out.